Hi, I'm Alan McIlroy from Berthon International, and we are the agents for Solaris Yachts here in the UK. Now, I recently had the opportunity to sea trial this rather lovely 50 just prior to delivery, so I thought I'd give you a quick preview of that and give you a look over as well. So here we are, we were at pre-handover sea trials, so just checking out everything was as it should be, which of course it was. Here we're running a North Helix, which is an asymmetric off-wind sail. It's a nice sail actually, it's big enough to be useful, but yet with a continuous line furler from UB Mayer on it, it's very easily managed as well. And although there wasn't a lot of breeze here, a particular day, we were still slipping along at 6 knots plus. Nicely spec'd yacht this, was handed over in August, with metallic grey top sides and S-Tech deck, and a really nice specification. Here she is alongside. We exhibited this boat in Cannes Boat Show this year. Paint job's absolutely beautiful, I have to say. And interestingly, we went for S-Tech on the deck of this particular 50, partly driven by the owner, I have to say, who's got a couple of four-legged crew, so he felt it might be more practical. But it's a really nice finish as well, I have to say. Again, those lovely, clear, uncluttered decks that we've become accustomed to on Solaris. Integral bowsprit there and a underdeck furler, which is actually electric. And then tack points for your A sails and code sails on the bowsprit. Looking aft then, very clean lines, those lovely Solomar flush hatches, and then the recessed track for the self-tacker. Nice feature with the 50 was that the side decks were stopped short of the pedestals. Still got your twin winches there and 2 banks of jammers for controlling all the lines, so pretty much the entire sail plan can be controlled from the aft end of the cockpit. One of the nice side effects of that is the ability to set the wheels well outboard, giving the optimum position for the helmsman for visibility on the head sail. It's a really nice sailing position. Sporting a full complement of B&G instruments, and we have Nemesis at the mast. There we have the Harken Performer winches and the bank of jammers coming aft, and that's replicated both port and starboard. And we've got a couple of powered winches there as well. The back end, we have a hydraulic drop-down garage door that opens up a self-contained dinghy garage, which is sealed, and that houses a 2.4 metre tender. And then both port and starboard of that, you've got a couple of separate lazarettes. You can see the dinghy nicely housed in there, and this particular owner has gone for a Spirit electric outboard. Nice wide cockpit, which enables you to have 2 tables there, and as you can see, then it creates a nice thoroughfare through the cockpit. Very cool, crisp interior on this particular yacht. The owner went for the bleached oak interior, complemented with some dark grey upholstery, just adding to those very clean lines, the Solaris design. It sits very well with the boat. Moving forward, you've got the owner's cabin. There are a number of options here, but this is the offset double to port. A nice bit of hanging stowage and settee to starboard. So a lot of detailing on the headboard there, that was custom to this boat. Then forward we have the ensuite WC and shower enclosure. And obviously being full width of the hull here as well, it gives you a really good shower enclosure. And great Korean work surfaces, plenty of stowage. It's a nice detailing with the floating panels there and the lighting. Moving aft, good sized forward-facing chart table. Ample saloon table with a couple of nice custom chairs also. The galley on the new 50 was a good improvement actually. It's really well stocked with ample room, lots of work surface. We've managed to get in a wine cooler, induction hob, half dishwasher, and plenty of refrigeration as well. So yeah, really good all-round galley, I have to say. Large double to port aft. Nice and bright and airy. And again, the aft heads with really ample separate shower stall as well, in which we've also managed to incorporate a small washing machine there, which fits in rather neatly. And then of course another double on starboard. The next opportunity to come and see the Solaris yachts in the flesh would be Dusseldorf, and that happens 20th to 28th of January, I believe, 24. And at that we will be exhibiting the 50, 60 and 64. Now it's quite a busy show, so if you do want to ensure a look over one of the boats, or all of them for that matter, please do give me a wee call in advance just so that we can set you up with an appointment. Thank you very much.